Butch and I just got done at Jeeps and Java, our monthly Jeep get-together. No ride was planned because a lot of the guys are on furlough because of the shutdown. So Butch and I are just going to go see what we can get into. Probably just go to a trail that we've been on many times. But it's always good to get out. But yeah, just a low-key weekend so far. But you never know what you might come across, so stick around. So we didn't really film a whole lot today. Just kind of wasn't really in the mood. But and we are camping really close to home. A friend of ours has some acreage just outside of town, so I decided to bring Butch and Slate out here and just camp out on their piece of property. But as you can see, there's not much around. I do have the Gladiator with me tonight. Brought the hammock. Of course, Starlink just got set up. Brought the big tent since I have both Butch and Slate. So, just gonna relax, have a nice evening, and that's about it. So we'll see what else we get into. We have packed up the camp. We are back in the Rubicon, and we are returning to where I got attacked by the ants. It's a new trail, so I really want to explore where it goes. I will not be stopping at that spot, but I do want to see where that trail goes. But haven't filmed a whole lot this weekend. I'm sure I'll get more filming in this segment of the weekend. But so far it is a beautiful day. I think it's supposed to be in the mid-70s today. It's about 70 right now. So overall it should be a pretty good day. So we'll see what the trails hold. So I stopped and got some nuggets for Butch, but he has to share with me. He doesn't get any ranch though. Such a goober. He knows there's a few more, but he's gonna have to wait on that. So we'll check in with you later. So we decided to just stop for a minute, let Butch run around, stretch our legs just a little bit. Turn this around, give you just a little bit of the view. What are you doing, crazy? How you doing? Hopefully he's going to find a spot to go to the bathroom. Really gorgeous day, but we'll get back on the trail, head to our destination. missed my turn off to where I wanted to go. So we just kind of took a drive on some familiar trails. But we have aired back up. We are back on pavement. And we are heading home. So that's going to wrap up this week's video. Not sure what we're going to do next weekend, but I'm sure that we'll do something. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do give us a thumbs up, and we will check in with you next time.